Itong message na ito, ginawa ko ito para sa Queen United Kingdom, Chassis, Man of the Free. Mga asawa ko, sa panahon ngayong year 2023 is 29 years old pa lang ako. 29 anyos. Alam ko na, pagdating sa February 14, Valentine's Day, dalawang espiritu, two spirit, dalawang multo, dalawang kaluluwa. Briones Elementary School near Boracay Islands in Aklan, Philippines. I repeat, Briones Elementary School in Aklan near Boracay Islands in Philippines. My Queen United Kingdom, mga asawa ko, Chassis, Man of the Free. I am God, Lucifer, Kenneth Fernandez Lamog Pilipino, Dakilang Abnoy of Russia, 333 Russians, Pinoy of Philippines, Death 25/7, UK 5. Kung sakaling nakikita nyo ito at naririnig nyo itong message ko na ito, January 31, 2018, Super Blue Blood Moon, Winter of Death, Cold War, Frost, History, January 6. It's because of me, dahil sa akin. I admit it, inaamin ko. I'll take all the responsibilities and obligations. Total destruction and death. All the birds are dead. For Mother Russia. My Queen United Kingdom, mga asawa ko, Chassis, Man of the Free. Kung sakaling nakikita nyo itong video ko na ito at naririnig nyo itong messages ko na ito, I got risky on my side. I offer you all fraternity, heaven, salvation, and solar energy. My Queen United Kingdom, Chassis, Man of the Free. Mga asawa ko, palangga ko kamutanan.